Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can send photos and videos to people or your friends in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do that, you can see the chat option. Go to chat and select the person you want to send photos or videos to. Then the next thing you want to see is the screen. Go ahead and click on this picture or landscape icon, and you can see some of the photos and videos. You can also categorize them or see this in the full view. Just go ahead and click on this view icon and you can see all your photos and videos. Now all you need to do is select this and go ahead and start to upload. So go ahead and select the photos and videos which you want. So after you select it, you can just go ahead and click next. And there you go. So you can see the video has been uploading, and if you want to send this video or photo in full quality, you can just click on plus, click on files and select the same photo and video and send it, and it will come in the exact same quality which you clicked it. So I hope this video about how you can send photos and videos in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.